fifth graders, this is the last end of the year activity. I'm super sad because these are usually really fun to do in person, and I just really feel like I was robbed on a lot of fun activities to do with you guys this year, and it really makes me sad. So I am sorry we were not able to do a lot of fun stuff in person, and I hope that next year you guys are able to do a lot of fun stuff in the classroom because you deserve it. This is our last end of the year activity, and it's just a fun fill in the blank type of thing. So I have 3 different slides here for you guys, and the first one is just kind of like a fill in the blank. So it's a funny memory that you had this year. You can go ahead and type it in. Make sure you type your name in up here as well. The sweetest memory you had, what your name is. Oh, I'm sorry. This right here is my teacher. So my name goes here. Your name goes here. A dream that you have for next year. Fun, cafeteria food. Favorite recess activity. 4 ways that you shined. An area that you did effort. 3 things you plan to do for this summer. An activity you did with a friend. A book you liked, whether it's a book I read to you or a book that you read on your own. A lot of these are kind of repeats of the writing prompts yesterday. So you just have to write down one answer for each one of these. Don't feel like you have to type a lot. Here is a fun classroom most likely to. It's like a mock election. I want you to think of all of our friends, all of our 5th grade students, and you are going to fill in their name where you think they belong. So, for example, the person in our class most likely to fly a plane, type their name. Most likely to become a professional gamer. I think I know who that would be. Ethan. Most likely to be abducted by aliens, travel around the world, win the lottery, become a detective. Who's most likely to become a famous comedian, paint a masterpiece, become a YouTube sensation, find Bigfoot, write a novel, win an Olympic medal, become a lawyer, become principal of your school, work for the FBI, win an Oscar, become a television talk show host. So these are just fun end of the year kind of mock election for our class. And then down here, Trenton, you're fine. Down here is end of the year reflection you're going to do on your own. So it is the ABCs about you. So something about you that starts with the letter A. So for myself, I think I have a really good attitude. So I write down my attitude there. B, something about myself I would write down is best singing voice. I'm just kidding. C, I would write down comical. D, I'd write down donut. E, I'd write down early, because I'm an early person. That was my maiden name, and I like to get everywhere early. So just something that you would use to identify yourself with the beginning of each letter of the alphabet. When you're done, please hit turn in. I'd like to share these out with the class, especially the most likely to. I think our students or our classmates would enjoy seeing what everyone else thinks of them or their future. It would be kind of a fun thing. And if there's more than one person you would put in that category, feel free to write down more than one person. But try to get down at least every classmate. All right, guys, that is it. That is my last end of the year activity for you. I hope you guys have a fantastic summer. And if there's anything you need from me, always feel free to email me, contact me on Google Classroom, text me. I've given you guys all my cell phone number. I am here to continue building a relationship with you guys, and you are always welcome to come visit me in my classroom next year. I wish you the best of luck. Take care and have a great summer.